Houston, we have a problem. Again, invariably. So here's this beautiful hair dryer, fully functional. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But she doesn't like how this nozzle is too easy to turn. It should be remaining exactly in this setting, like perpendicular to the handle of it. It's moving too much. So in this video, I'm gonna try to make it stay without using any glue, because the nozzle here gets significantly warmed up, and I don't want to experiment with glues. I don't have access to a wide variety of glue. What I do have is something that doesn't melt: tie wire. Yes, tiny hole, loop tie wire through it and make a knot on it. It is entirely possible to make a cute little hole or two cute little holes somewhere in the edge of the material where it's not interfering with the exiting hot air. And so I have the depth of this rim to make two cute little holes in this using, I don't know, a drill bit whose diameter matches the tie wire's diameter. And with the position of the hole, I also have to obviously catch this part here, okay? So I have to drill two holes in it somewhere where it goes through both materials, in a position where I can still lace the wire through it somehow without being able to reach in there. So what happened here? The first hole is too far down. It wasn't catching the edge of the nozzle. And the second hole will work if I line it up properly, thereabouts, and angle the drill like this. Okay, so it's gonna be, normally you would drill perpendicular to the surface of the material. You're gonna have to drill it on an angle like so, for the wire to go through. Yeah, so the second hole needs to be suspiciously close to the edge. Like so, and then pushed together. Let's see, let's line it up with the first hole. Maybe push the tie wire through it a little bit so it doesn't rotate, because this one is going in a angle. Will hopefully work. Let's see what we did. That's tolerable. Yeah, I would have liked it not so close to the edge here, but it is what it is. This will work. So when I push the wire through, that's how it's gonna go through. The holes are not lining up with this grill, but that doesn't matter. This component will line up perfectly and stay in place perfectly, perpendicular to the handle. Let's try to lace it through. So it's in one side, so far so good. Out the other side, nice. And we'll just tie it somewhere and pull it tight as well. Maybe cut the wire too, why not? The sharp ends of the wire could be filed with a micro file, like a jeweler's file. And of course it's not rotating anymore. Let's see what she thinks about it.
Thank you.
How is it working for you, baby?
Perfect. This is flat and it won't catch my hair.
Okay. Well, we're gonna need to field test it, of course, as usual. All right, we can call it happy with the results.
Yes.
Commencing field testing, high speed, high heat. And 1 minute of field testing is done. Nothing is stinky, nothing is smoking or smoldering or melting or deforming. Some of these wires are coated with oil or could be plastic coated, so nothing is melting or deforming or stinky. This one is 10 out of 10. Okay, it's ugly. How about 4 out of 10?